This is a gorgeous 1969 Chevy El Camino SS396. The color is amazing. The fit and finish is outstanding. It has some nice custom upgrades inside. Big block, air conditioned, four-wheel disc brakes, body off frame restored. It's a beautiful El Camino. Go to volocars.com. Take your time and look at over 100 pictures top to bottom. That's where you can read the information. And that's where you find a price tag along with a monthly finance option on every car we sell. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on that bell icon. That way you're notified when the new ones are posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, this thing's pretty. That's why I bought it. The color, the paint finish, the wheels, the stance. I mean, that's really why I bought it. But that's what drew me to it. And then, of course, when I inspected it, very nice car. Body was off the frame. They said the frame's been powder coated. The front end's been gone through. There's an upgraded sway bar. Has lowering springs, ball joints. All that stuff's been replaced. The shocks. In back, the trailing arms and bushings are new, and the springs and the shocks. It's all been replaced. Nice sounding dual exhaust system that comes all the way out back here behind the tires. Upgraded brake system. It's disc brakes at all four wheels. The hoses, the brake lines have been replaced. The fuel tank and the straps, that's been replaced. You look up at the motor, it's clean. The fuel pump, the starter, all that looks like it's been done within the last couple of years or so. It has the heavy-duty Turbo 400 automatic transmission. The drive shaft looks new. 12-bolt rear end with 373 gears in the back. So it's been all completely rebuilt underneath. Floors are real solid, nice and clean. I did see they put one floor section, they replaced it. So it's all solid metal. Now, the fit and finish, the body, excellent, it's great. The hood is the SS hood with the two raised domes here, but this thing fits square and flush, and it is straight. I mean, really, really straight. And that hood is square. Looking down the long side panels, absolutely straight. Gaps are right on the money, smooth all along the bottom. All nice, no bubbles, no rust, no damage, no signs of body work or repairs. Around the wheel well here, all nice and clean metal. Absolutely straight. Same thing with the tailgate. Under the tailgate's nice and clean, absolutely straight, no dents, no damage. This side of the car is just as good. I've already felt and all along the bottoms, it all lines up straight, no dents, no damage. The color, it's like a dark raspberry metallic color, beautiful color. It's laid out nice. The metal flake is all even, it's not blotchy or cloudy. The clear coat is polished like glass. Now with that said, I mean, if you look closely, if it's your car and you're going over every inch of it, you'll find a little touch-up or a little imperfection here or there, but this paint is slick. It has the SS stripe down the side. They replaced all the trim from the looks of it. All this stainless around the windows and all this stuff, all been replaced. Mirrors on both sides, door handles. They added these nice cross flags below the SS. These have been replaced. The bumper, the grille, bumper guards, all that looks really nice and fresh. The glass, I believe, is all replaced. It's all crystal clear. Back windows, side windows, all real nice and clean and clear. All the gaskets and seals have been replaced, the window seals. New set of staggered size wheels. They're Billet Specialty wheels. They're 18s in front, 20s in back. They're also extra wide in back. Look how big those things are. They're all wrapped in performance tires. Tires and wheels were put on in the last 6 months. New vinyl top, and it fits real nice. All this trim around the bed opening. It's all really sharp looking. Tail lights look real nice. Back bumper looks brand new. So the exterior of this car, it has a look. The stance, the wheels, the color, the fit and finishes makes this one stand apart from the others. Now let's open it up, see what we got inside. Well, you're not going to be wanting to haul yards of mulch in the back of this one. This is show quality inside here. The metal is absolutely clean and straight, no rust, no damage. It's not beat up, and obviously all painted the same colors. The exterior, it looks like it has new nuts and bolts. And then the tailgate, the latch mechanism is on the inside here. It's painted all slick, it's clean, new rubber seal down below there. So yeah, the inside of this bed is slick. I love the color. It's a nice dark color, and then when the light hits it, you get some nice bright highlights. The jambs, look at them, they're painted as slick as the car. Weather strips all fit nice. Custom upholstered door panels, it's all hand stitched. You see power window switches, it's upgraded with power windows. This is a custom tilt column with a new deluxe wheel. All of this instrument panel is replaced. Heater controls, it's all new. The dash pad has been custom upholstered and hand stitched. They did a really nice job. Has a retro stereo. All this is all real nice. Not much of a glove box. The vintage air conditioning is back there, so you don't really have a glove box there. Down on the floor, we got new carpet. Looks like a reproduction center console. This indicator's loose, so if you're the lucky buyer of this car, ask the salesman to have the shop fix that. Really comfortable new seats. They both recline. Driver's side's actually a power seat. We've got upgraded retractable 3-point seat belts. Headliner and visors are new. The mirror is new. So yeah, really, really nice inside as well. Show quality motor compartment. Look at that. So that is a CE engine counter exchange. It's a warranty block. So it is a 396 motor. On top it has an Edelbrock intake with a dual feed Holley, has electric choke. Got an HEI ignition system in the back. A new chrome valve covers and air cleaner. Smooth firewall. All painted real slick like the car. All the metal surfaces are painted real nice and slick. The whole radiator, clutch fan, shroud, overflow bottle, it's all proper. Alternator looks new. It's got power steering, has vintage air and heat. Got cadmium plated power brake booster. The squirters are hooked up, all the cowl, the rubber, the plastic vents, it's all there. Hood insulation under the hood, and it's all painted real nice. So again, show quality throughout on this car. Oh yeah, listen to that sound. Isn't that nice? Certainly not a hybrid. Very comfortable seats. I can ride in this all day. Now this is one of those cars that's just outstanding. A lot has to do, again, the color, the stance, the wheels. You know, a silver El Camino with the original wheels or a blue one, it's a beautiful car. This one's outstanding. This is going to get the compliments. It's going to get the heads turning. Just a sharp looking car. And then it's show quality throughout. You got big block, you got air, you got all sorts of nice upgraded features. So it's one you can get in and drive and enjoy. You can go to volocars.com to talk to the salesman about whatever questions you have remaining. They can help get this delivered. They can help you finance it at volocars.com. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe, click on the bell icon. That way you're notified when a new video is posted. Thanks for watching.